Hello guys, welcome back to Gyan Exploration. Today we will do question number 2 from exercise 4.2. In this question, we have to find 4 solutions of each equation. And we have given 3 equations in this question. So, one by one, we will get 4 solutions of each equation. So here, our first equation is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Before we start the solution, I want to tell that if we assume the value of one variable, then we can get the value of another variable. So the values of both the variables will be the solution of each equation. We have to get 4 solutions of each equation. So we have to put 4 values of x or y. Now we start the solution. Here we have assumed x is equals to 0. This is our equation which are given. 2x plus y is equals to 7. Here we have to put the value of x. 2 multiply 0 plus y is equals to 7. 2 multiply 0 will be 0. So we have written here 0 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7. You can see x, y is equals to 0, 7. Because 0 is the value of x, 7 is the value of y. So 0, 7 is first solution of given equation. In this way, we have to find 4 solutions. This is our first solution. Now we have assumed y is equals to 0. If you want to assume x is equals to 1, 2, 3, then it's up to you. It depends on you. Whatever you want to assume, x or y. This is the equation. 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2x plus 0. We have written 0 in place of y is equals to 7. So 2x is equals to 7. Then x is equals to 7 upon 2. So here you can see xy is equals to 7 upon 2 comma 0. 7 upon 2 is the value of x. So we have written here first. 0 is the value of y. You can see. So 7 upon 2 and 0 is second solution of given equation. In this way, we have to find 4 solutions. Now third solution. In this, we have assumed x is equals to 1. We have to put the value of x in the equation. 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2 multiply 1 plus y is equals to 7. 2 multiply 1 means 2 will come plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. So y is equals to 5. You can see xy is equals to 1, 5 because 1 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. 1, 5 is the third solution of given equation. Now this is our fourth. Now we will find the fourth solution of the same equation. So let x is equals to 2. This is the equation. 2x plus y is equals to 7. Now we will put the value of x is equals to 2 in this equation. 2 multiply 2 plus y is equals to 7. 2 multiply 2, that means 4 will come. So we are writing here 4 plus y is equals to 7. Now y is equals to 7 minus 4 because we are taking 4 in the right side, so it will so the sign of will be converted in minus. Y is equals to 3. So xy is equals to 2, 3. 2, 3 is the fourth solution of given equation. So we have calculated 4 solutions of the first equation. Now this is our second equation. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Now we start the solution. In this equation, we have assumed x is equals to 0. Now we will put the value of x in this equation. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Pi multiply 0 plus y is equals to 9. Pi multiply 0 will be converted in 0. Plus y is equals to 9. Now y is equals to 9. So you can see x, y is equals to 0, 9. These are the values of x or x and y. Here 0, 9 is the first solution of given equation. Now we have assumed y is equals to 0. So we have to put the value of y in this equation. Pi x plus 0 is equals to 9. Pi x will be same. Plus 0 is equals to 9. Two multiply 1 plus y is equals to 0. 2 multiply 1 will come 2 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. That means the value of y is equals to 5. So here you can see x, y is equals to 1, 5. Then 1, 5 is the third solution of given equation because 1 and 5 is the value of x, y. Now we will find fourth solution of this equation. So we have assumed x is equals to 2. 2x plus y is the 2x plus y is equals to 7 is the equation. Here we have to put the value of x. 2 multiply 2 plus y is equals to 7. 2 multiply 2, 4 will come plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 will come 3. So xy is equals to 2, 3. Here you can see the value of x is equals to 2 and the value of y is equals to 3. So 2, 3 is the fourth solution of given equation. So in this first equation we have find 4 solutions. Now our second equation is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Now we will start the solution. So we have assumed x is equals to 0. Now we will put the value of x in the same equation. Pi multiply 0 plus y is equals to 9. Pi multiply 0, it means 0 plus y is equals to 9. Y is equals to 9. Here you can see x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 9. So we have written here x, y is equals to 0, 9 because these are the values of x and y. 0, 9 is first solution of given equation. That means 0, 1 is the first solution of second equation. Now we have to find second solution of this equation. So we have assumed y is equals to 0. Now we will put the value of y in the same equation. Pi x plus 0. We have written here 0 in place of y is equals to 9. So x is equals to 9 upon pi. X is equals to 9 upon pi. So here you can see x, y is equals to 9 upon pi comma 0. Because 9 upon pi is the value of x and 0 is the value of y. So 9 upon pi comma 0 is second solution of given equation. Now we have to find third solution of the same equation. So we have assumed x is equals to 1. Now we will put the value of 1. Now we will put the value of x in the same equation. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Pi multiply 1 plus y is equals to 9. Pi plus y is equals to 9. Y is equals to 9 minus pi. Pi will come in the right side, so the sign of pi will be changed. So here you can see x, y is equals to 1, 9 minus pi. The value of x is 1 and 9 minus pi is the value of y. So here we have written 1, 9 minus pi is third solution of given equation. Now we have to find fourth solution. So here we have assumed x is equals to 2. Now we will put the value of x is equals to 2 in the same equation. Pi x plus y is equals to 9. Pi multiplied 2 plus y is equals to 9. 2 pi will come when we will multiply pi multiply 2, then 2 pi will come. Plus y is equals to 9. Y is equals to 9 minus 2 pi. 2 pi will come in the right side, so the sign of 2 pi will be changed. So xy is equals to 2, 9 minus 2 pi. 2 is the value of x and 9 minus 2 pi is the value of y. So we have written here in the form of xy is equals to this. 2, 9 minus 2 pi is the fourth solution of the same equation. So we have find 4 solutions of the second equation. Now we have to find 4 solutions of the third equation. Here we have given x is equals to 4y. Now we will start the solution. In this equation we have taken 4y in the left hand side. So x minus 4y is equals to 0. Now we have assumed x is equals to 0. So in this equation we will put the value of x. X minus 4y is equals to 0. 0 will come in place of x. Minus 4y is equals to 0. Y is equals to minus 0 upon 4. Y is equals to 0. Because minus 0 upon 4 will be the 0. So y is equals to 0. So xy is equals to 0, 0. Here you can see x is equals to 0. So we have written here 0. And y is equals to 0. So we have written here 0. So 0, 0 is the first solution of given equation. We have to find the second solution of the same equation. X minus 4y is equals to 9. X minus 4 multiply 0. 0 is the value of y is equals to 9. X minus 0, because 4 multiply 0 is equals to 0. So we have written here 0 is equals to 9. X is equals to 9. So the value of x is equals to 9. You can see xy is equals to 9, 0, because 9 is the value of x and 0 is the value of y. 9, 0 is second solution of given equation. Now we have to find third solution of the same equation. So we have assumed x is equals to 1, x minus 4y is equals to 0. This is the equation. Now we will put the value of x. So we have written here 1 minus 4y is equals to 0. Minus 4y is equals to 0 minus 1. Y is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Minus minus will be cut. So here y is equals to 1 upon 4. You can see xy is equals to 1, 1 upon 4. So 1, 1 upon 4 is the third solution of the same equation. Now we have to find the fourth solution of the same equation. So we have assumed x is equals to 3. X minus 4y is equals to 0. In place of x we have written here 3 because this is the value of x. 3 minus 4y is equals to 0. Minus 4y is equals to 0 minus 3. Y is equals to minus 3 upon minus 4. Minus minus will be cut. So y is equals to 3 upon 4. Here you can see xy is equals to 3, 3 upon 4. Because 3 is the value of x and 3 upon 4 is the value of y. 3, 3 upon 4 is the fourth solution of the given equation. We have calculated 4 solutions of 3 equations. Friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.